Speech output activated with lip sync.
Can you point to the green square? Can you point to the red square? And we also have button objects which can also
Hi Harry, let's get going.
activate
What's that?
various gestures. I can also ask it, for example, to point to an object that doesn't exist. Hi, can you point to the Ferrari car? And can you tell me?
Mons at 36.9 kilometers. Yelway at 479.5, Alba Mons at 419.9 kilometers. Yelway at 500 and Ascraeus Mons at 45.0 kilometers. Havanus Mons at 6. Travel to get more information. Olympus Mons is the highest mountain in the solar system. At 21 kilometers its peak reaches into space. It covers an enormous area over 600 kilometers across. This model uses the Mars Orbiter laser altimeter data to accurately recreate this interactive presentation in Viva3D. Descending to Jezero. Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter landing site. An ancient river delta which may yield clues to life on Mars. On April 19, 2021, Ingenuity was the first helicopter to fly on another planet. Speech output act.
Innominate, humerus, sternum, femur, metacarpals, phalanges, Lambert 30 and viewing. Rapidly create detailed 3D scenes using Viva3D and the Zcene engine. Drop your models into the scene and arrange. It's as easy as that. This moonscape is created in real time from NASA LiDAR ranging data. Smooth shadows and lighting are all calculated in the GPU for fast rendering on all devices. Viva3D can instantly render entire planets to any level of detail. It can also speak in any language, including Japanese and Korean. It uses deep learning to recognize speech for accurate voice control. Interactive photorealistic avatars are also supported. Viva also includes 3D reconstruction from stereo.
Fade logo quad.
We're looking at here a 3D mobile phone with a lenticular film which is electro-optically controlled, running the Viva3D software with the Astro 3D content.
Try a better microphone or train the speech recognizer.
Okay, so I've been talking away there with the actual 3D voice recognition active. I'll turn that off. Go quiet. Please go quiet.
Going quiet.
So this is the basic interface for the Mars simulation running on Astro 3D, and as you can see we've got various buttons across the top. It's actually running in 3D mode. This perspective we don't see much 3D effect, but we will zoom in. So let's activate the voice interface. Viva, listen.
Listening.
Let's visit Olympus.
Descending to Olympus Mons. Please touch or click any point on the planet as we travel to get more information.
So Viva, quiet.
Going quiet.
So with this mobile phone it's using a mid-range low-cost chipset which costs about $26. It's got an ARM 8-core processor with a fairly powerful...
Olympus Mons is the highest mountain in the solar system. At 21 kilometers its peak reaches into space. It covers an enormous area over 600 kilometers across. This model uses the Mars Orbiter Laser Altimeter data to accurately recreate this interactive presentation in Viva3D. Astro 3D space content was created without coding or scripting in an easy-to-use virtual environment, and uses the all-new Viva3D Zcene engine. Viva3D directly outputs to 3D displays and VR glasses. It is platform independent and designed for the modern GPU.
So as I was saying, this uses an 8-core ARM processor running about 2.4 gigahertz. The GPU is the Mali MP2 version, fairly low power, running with a 700 megahertz processor clock. It's more powerful than most small Windows laptops. It's much more powerful than the Intel Atom 78530 processor. So it's quite a good chipset. Let's go back to voice control. Viva.
Bailey at 53.3
Directly
kilometer.
on the model, and the GPU recalculates the terrain height, and the shadows accordingly adjust.